We all know how great quizzes can be for engaging students and assessing their understanding of a topic, but creating those quizzes can be quite time-consuming. So that's why, in this video, I'm going to show you a super easy way to use ChatGPT and Interacty to create quizzes that you can actually use in your classroom without spending much time on it. And to make things even simpler, I've designed a prompt that will help you generate quizzes on any topic in no time. First, let's copy the prompt I've prepared for you. Just scroll down to the description of this video, find the text, and copy it. Next, I'll open a new tab in my browser and go to chatgpt.com. So here we are, I just paste my prompt, and now look, there are a few fields you'll need to adjust. The first thing you'll want to change is topic name. Just swap that out with whatever topic you want your quiz to cover. For this example, I'm going with major battles of the Civil War. Next, we're aiming for a quiz with, let's say, 10 questions, each with 3 answer choices, but you can pick wherever you wish. Okay, so let's address that and write 10 questions and 3 answer choices, right? Once those are set, there is nothing else you need to do, just hit enter and let ChatGPT work its magic. It might take a minute, especially if a lot of people are using the site, so just be patient, and when it's done, you'll get a CSV file with your quiz. Okay, as we can see, our CSV file is ready. We just click that to download it on our computer. Now that we have our quiz file, let's move on to Interacty. I'll open a new tab in my browser and go to interacty.me. I already have an account, so I just log in, but if you don't worry, you can easily sign up using your Google account. Once I'm logged in, I go to the question bank section by clicking on a gear icon. Then hit the Upload CSV button and select the CSV file we just downloaded. Super easy. As you can see, ChatGPT does all the hard work for you. Our quiz with 10 questions, each with 3 answer choices, is now ready to go. Just a quick tip though, be sure to check those questions and answers because you know AI isn't perfect, and if you catch some, you can easily fix them by selecting the correct answer in Interacty. Okay, let's name our question bank Major Battles of the Civil War and hit save. Great, now it's time to add these questions to our quiz. We go to My Projects tab and create a new project. Let's add a new block and select Quiz. By the way, I love Interacty because it offers around 20 different interactive blocks that you can use in education, but for now we'll stick with the quiz option. Okay, I go with the quiz option and select the first template available here. Then I click Edit and go to the Questions tab. Here, all I have to do is to choose Use Questions from Question Bank. Choose the question bank we just created and set the number of questions to max, 10. If you choose fewer questions, say 5, every time someone takes your quiz, they'll get a random set of questions from your bank, and this is awesome for exams because it mixes things up and make it harder for students to share answers. So you can use this function. You can also add pictures and explanation if you want, but since the goal here is to make a quick quiz, I'm skipping that. Once you're happy with it, just hit save and click preview to see your project in action. Here you can test it out. Looks good, right? And if you're happy with it, just hit the blue button, which is called publish, right here. You can now share the link to your quiz via Messenger with your students, or maybe open it in the classroom computers. It's up to you, you just have to copy this link or click this button and you're good to go. Another cool feature is that you can click this purple button here to generate a printable PDF version of your quiz. It's quick and convenient, allowing you to have a physical copy of your quiz and it's ready in just a few minutes. Here is how it looks, and you can print it out and use it in your classroom. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. We've got plenty more content of using AI and other tools to make your teaching life easier, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.